Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the science classroom. I'm your science instructor Nachi Raza from Al Murtada School Senior Boys Branch. Today we are going to start our chapter. The name of chapter is periodic table. So let's start the chapter. These are the SLOs that we are going to focus during our chapter. The book has a detailed content, but we are going to study the following SLOs. I hope so. You are going to write these SLOs in your copy or you are going to paste these SLOs in your copy. Okay. The term periodic table. What comes in your mind when you hear the term periodic table? Just make a rough mind map. Yes, you are right. These are the terms that may appear in your mind when you hear the word periodic table. How I got your mind map, um, just the points, the views that I got from your Zoom classes and during your Menware classes. So we got the idea that what should came in your mind when you hear the word periodic table. So there must be atom, atomic number, period, element key, atomic mass, group, elements, and there is a name. That name is Mendeleev. Mendeleev was a Russian scientist who formatted the modern periodic table. All the known elements are in the periodic table. So in grade 6 you have studied these elements in these terms in detail, and today we are going to recall these terms. So let's start the recall. Some important terms that we are going to use in the chapter. Atom. Yes. Yes, you are right. The basic build is the smallest basic building block that take part in any chemical change. For example, hydrogen atom is in front of you. You can see the electron is revolving in the orbit and the nucleus is in the center. There are subatomic particles. Yes, electron, neutron, and proton. The lightest one is electron. It is negatively charged. It revolves in the orbit. The heavy one is the neutron. It has no charge. It is the neutral one, and it resides inside the nucleus of an atom. Then proton, they are positively charged, and they reside inside the nucleus of an atom. One more thing is that uh, we always know that the number of proton is equals to the number of electron. So this is the atomic structure of lithium. You can see the yellow color is representing the number of proton, that are 3, and the black color is going to represent the neutrons, that are 4, and there are 3 electrons which are revolving around the nucleus in the orbits. What is molecule? Yes. Molecule is a natural group of 2 or more atoms. In a molecules, atoms may be of same type, like in oxygen. There are two O molecules, oxygen atoms, and they are making a single O2 molecule. While atoms in a molecule, atoms may be different. For example, in hydrogen molecule, there is one hydrogen attached with two hydrogen attached with one oxygen molecule, right? So molecules may be molecule एक plural term है जिसमें atoms होते हैं, more than one atoms होते हैं, or they may be of same type like in oxygen O2, or they may be of different type like in H2O. Atomic number. Yes, you are right. In 6 we studied that atomic number is identity of an atom. It tells about the nature of an atom. Even कि हम element का name भी identify कर सकते हैं उसके atomic number से. And every element has its particular atomic number. So the total number of protons present in a nucleus of an atom is called the atomic number. Its symbol is Z. For example, carbon has 6 protons, so its atomic number भी 6 है. What is mass number? Mass number is symbolized by A, and it is sum of protons plus sum of neutron. For example, carbon has 6 proton and 6 neutron, so carbon's mass number is 12. Students, please be careful, don't calculate or add electrons in it. हम सिर्फ प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन को ऐड करेंगे. We are not going to add the number of electrons. You can see in the animation, protons and neutrons are combining together and they are going to make the mass number. Okay. What is element? Element is the simplest type of substance that is made up of same type of atoms. In an element, all the atoms have same atomic number. For example, आयरन एक एलिमेंट है. अगर आप आयरन के एक रॉड को लेंगे और आयरन की एक चेन को ले लेते हैं या आयरन के एक बार को ले लेते हैं, सबका एटॉमिक नंबर वो डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स में होगी आपके पास आयरन, बट सबका एटॉमिक नंबर सेम होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाइड्रोजन इज एन एलिमेंट, कार्बन इज एन एलिमेंट, गोल्ड इज एन एलिमेंट. Here we have name list of 18 elements which we have studied in our grade 6 as well, and we are going to recall them in our grade 7. So it's a start from hydrogen, then helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. So we are going to study in detail about these 18 elements. I hope so कि आपने grade 6 में इनको बहुत डिटेल से पढ़ा था. Now what is element key? Element key is a symbolic representation of any element in periodic table. Element key represents atomic number, atomic mass and element symbol. For example, atomic number of element key of carbon, element key of oxygen. The modern periodic table. What is a periodic table? Periodic table is listing of elements. It is an organized form of elements entry. Elements are representing by their atomic number and their chemical properties. This is a periodic table in front of you. Just recall it. Another form of periodic table, another format of periodic table. Groups. What are the groups? The vertical column in periodic table is called group. In group, elements share the similar properties. While what are the period? The horizontal rows. Again, group of columns आपके सामने हैं. Groups हैं columns में and periods हैं rows में. In a group, a vertical column is a group. Elements have similar property. For example, lithium and sodium are in same group और इनकी chemical properties भी same है. What is a period? Period is a horizontal row. An element changes from metallic state to non-metallic state in a period. For example, carbon and oxygen, they both have same period. Orbits or energy shell. What are the orbits? In atom, the electron revolves around an imaginary pathway, and that pathway is called orbit. Each orbit has a different energy level. That's why they are called energy shells. Orbits or shells are named as K shell, L shell, M shell and N shell. So these are the name of shells. Nucleus के फौरन बाद वाला N1 यानी K shell, then L shell यानी N2, M shell N3 and N shell N4. This is your assignment number 1. You have to write down the definition of following terms with example of each. Right? This is your assignment number 1. आपको इन definitions को copy down करना है and you have to give an example. You have the in detail the PowerPoint presentation is with you, the video is with you. आप यहाँ से भी help ले सकते हैं and you can take help from your book as well. What is worksheet number 1? You have to download or paste the given worksheet, in which you have to write down name of elements, its symbol, atomic number, atomic mass. First 18 elements के name, symbol, atomic number, atomic mass. I hope so the lesson is interesting for you and you have recalled the learning of your grade 6. So we will meet in the next lesson. Complete your assignment, do your worksheet. Take care of yourself. It's Najir Rada signing off from Science Classroom. Allah Hafiz.